John, was there a stage in the game that you thought you were going to be sitting on that side tonight?
You mean because of luck?
Yeah.
Yeah, there was. It felt like, I mean, 14-12 down,
Yeah.
getting towards the hour mark, your heart rate's climbing.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Looking forward, I know a lot of people want to talk about this game, but obviously you're looking forward and you're going to France now. What does the picture look like for you?
No, a couple of things. We want to, we're looking forward to playing Toulon. We want to respect this competition. We want to go as far. You know, no South African teams got to the semi-finals. We feel like we've got a little bit of depth. You know, we've built quite hard on the depth, so that, you know, obviously, you know, maybe a couple of years ago, I think cheap as we were going to come back here. Let's say we beat Toulon, we go to Glasgow, come back here and have that experience we had 3 years ago when Munster were already in Cape Town after we played Exeter. You know, and we lost our 21 game, or it was 21 game unbeaten record. Whereas now I feel like we've got a bit more, despite the injuries at lock, a bit more capacity. So, full go, full crack, full crack. It's a really good Toulon team. That's what an experience for us. Be part of our growth.
What will it take to win there, in rugby terms?
Venus to align with Uranus and Saturn. And, no, cheap as they. I mean, we played them. Luckily, we played them in Gqeberha last year. Huge. But what caught us a bit was their speed, wasn't it? They're also fast. And I don't know if he's playing, but Tisserand, to me, I could never work out years ago how come they dropped him from France, but then the fellow came along called Dupont. But you know, you're going to have to. They've got a really good scrum and they're fast. And I mean, it's just it's a literati of a team to win there. Definitely the set piece. Our scrum, we pride ourselves on. That they win every scrum battle. I think the number set 2 in France. So that's. And then we're going to have to spin and win. Yeah, I don't think we're going to grind out against that size pack. We're going to grind out something like tonight's. You know?
Yeah.
I do think the contestable games is an area we could exploit them a little bit, but we're going to have to get into that transitions and play with a bit of freedom. You know.
Ron, you're looking forward to the trip to France?
Yeah, definitely. I spoke to the referees downstairs now as well. They asked us when we're leaving, and they said, you know, it's quite an experience to play in Toulon. So, yeah, I mean, like even playing them down, you know, in the Eastern Cape a couple of years ago, I mean, like just to face a French team of that magnitude was a special occasion for us. So, to have them now on their home field in front of their home crowd, you know, it's no secret how passionate they are that side. So, it's an environment that we're looking forward to getting into.
You ever been to the stadium to Toulon?
No. I think a lot of the gents, if not all of us, have not yet been. So, yeah, which I think is obviously very exciting for us as well.
A stadium that attracts 10,000 people for a practice, including Jason Colby.
Really?
That's how passionate they are.
Really?
Yes, a Springbok practice with Jason Colby, 10,000 people.
Well,
So-
Look forward to it.
yeah.
I mean, where that experience of going on with that singing, it was special.
Yeah.
Great place to go. The South Africa, great place. It's like a game of bridge with Omar Sharif. Still alive? I don't know.